All right, crypto enthusiasts, buckle up. We're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of breaking news that's shaking up the digital asset world. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown that you absolutely cannot miss. We've got the latest on Solana and XRP, plus Gemini's top crypto presale picks with Bitcoin Hyper and Pepenode. Then, we're uncovering explosive allegations involving the Winklevoss twins and a potential CFTC nominee. But wait, there's more. We're jetting off to Hawaii for a fascinating cultural immersion at the Gemini Observatory. And finally, we're dissecting the massive Gemini IPO news that could redefine the market. You won't want to miss a single second of this. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the know. The crypto market is buzzing, and this week, Solana and XRP are making serious waves. Fueled by a weaker-than-expected U.S. Producer Price Index, which hints at potential rate cuts from the U.S. Federal Reserve, both SOL and XRP have seen significant pumps. But that's not all. We asked Google Gemini for its top crypto presale picks, and the AI has spoken. Get ready to hear all about Bitcoin Hyper, aiming to revolutionize Bitcoin transactions with its Layer 2 solution, and Pepenode, a virtual mining ecosystem promising to shake up the game without any hardware. We'll also dive into Little Pepe, a project building a Layer 2 blockchain specifically for meme coins. These presales are raising millions, and Gemini's price predictions are looking incredibly bullish. The market is reacting with excitement, especially given the potential for increased investment spurred by lower interest rates. Don't go anywhere, because what's happening behind the scenes with Gemini and political figures is absolutely wild. Hold on to your hats, because we're diving deep into some serious political intrigue in the crypto world. Brian Quintenz, President Trump's former pick for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, is alleging that Gemini founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss lobbied the White House to stall his nomination. Quintenz shared screenshots of messages where Tyler Winklevoss apparently sought his thoughts on a complaint Gemini's attorneys sent to the CFTC's Inspector General. This complaint itself was fiery, accusing CFTC attorneys of being driven by a selfish desire to advance their careers. Gemini had previously paid a hefty $5 million to settle a CFTC suit from 2022. Quintenz claims these texts reveal the Winklevoss twins' true agenda, refusing to promise anything beyond a fair and reasonable review. This all comes at a critical time, with Gemini preparing for its IPO and the CFTC itself undergoing significant staff changes. The Winklevoss twins, known Trump supporters, had pledged millions to a pro-Trump crypto PAC, adding another layer to this complex situation. From the high-stakes world of finance and politics, we're shifting gears to something truly inspiring in the heart of Hawaii. Prepare for a breathtaking journey to the summit of Mauna Kea, where the Gemini Observatory is fostering a remarkable new initiative. They've launched their very first Hawaii Culture and Language Residency, a groundbreaking program designed to weave indigenous Hawaiian voices and traditions directly into the fabric of astronomical research. Leinani Lozi, the Hawaii Education and Engagement Manager at Noir Lab Gemini, explains that the goal is to integrate cultural practitioners and language experts, bringing their unique perspective and ancestral knowledge, known as Aikupuna, into the scientific realm. This program honors Hawaii's deep historical connection to the stars, a rich celestial knowledge system that has been preserved through generations. The inaugural resident, Lelehua Yuan, a storyteller and cultural historian, is creating Hawaiian star charts that map constellations as seen through ancestral eyes, focusing on traditional tools and marine life rather than the Western zodiac. This initiative aims to reconnect people with their heritage and reshape how international observatories operate in Hawaii, ensuring these spaces are grounded in local culture. It's a beautiful fusion of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. And speaking of Gemini, get ready for some major financial news that could send shockwaves through the market. Get ready for the latest on Gemini's highly anticipated initial public offering. This news is massive, with the exchange aiming for a valuation that could reach up to $3.08 billion. We're breaking down everything you need to know about this potential market mover. With numerous data points and figures surrounding Gemini's financial standing and market position, this IPO could signal a new era for crypto exchanges going public. The timing is crucial, especially with the ongoing shifts within regulatory bodies like the CFTC. Analysts are closely watching how this IPO will perform and what it means for the broader cryptocurrency landscape. This is a pivotal moment for Gemini and a must-watch event for investors and crypto enthusiasts alike. That's all the news for today, but we'll be back with another packed episode soon. And that's a wrap on today's Crypto Blitz. We saw Solana and XRP surge on PPI data, Gemini dished out top presale picks like Bitcoin Hyper and Pepenode, and explosive allegations surfaced involving the Winklevoss twins and the CFTC. Plus, we explored the beautiful cultural fusion at the Gemini Observatory in Hawaii and dissected the massive Gemini IPO news. Don't miss out on any future updates. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, ring the notification bell, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms for real-time insights.